So you have the Singapore. It sits up total 4 number of subscriber. Okay, so just to give example, the 4 number of subscriber means how many virtual IP. There are 2 virtual IP. Okay, because one or virtual IP over to configure over here. Okay, this is a 10.10.10.20 and this is virtual IP 10.20.10.30. Okay, second one is China. There are 2 servers. Example, so you can bind the one virtual IP 10.20.20.20. Okay, third one is Philippines. You can bind the 2 server IP 10.30.30.30. Okay, so you have this. It is a single cluster in the all the server. Okay, so if you configure the redundancy about the all the China and the Singapore and Philippines, so you can configure the when going to configure in the switch. So you can configure the radius server IPs. First one is 10.10.10.20 US IP. Second 10.10.10.30. For this is for US. For this redundancy, we can provide the 10.10 sorry 20.20.20 China IP. Fourth IP is Philippines for redundancy 30.30.30. So this is server if you fail, so they are taking about the China IP. Again China also fails, we're going to check the Philippines. But the primary the IP we're going to go the nearest server. Nearest server for USC, this is for 2 servers in nearest server. Okay. When going to configure the China, so you can configure this is the first. Okay, this is second and this is first, second, then third. Because what is the nearest server? When endpoint going to sitting here, so that what is the nearest location about the endpoint reaching to this? China, what is the nearest? The China is a
Where do we configure this group? Like primary, secondary,
in this yes. This is for we are binding the group in the ClearPass. This is group going to configure the in the ClearPass, and this configuration configure the radius configuration group from the switch end.
Okay, okay.
I will tell you about when going to lab na. That time I told you, but I was going to over about this. This is for traffic distribution about the radius.
Okay, okay. Fine.
This is a traffic distribution of radius. But only the condition is the all the connectivity in the China, Philippines, and the US should be interconnected with the help of MPLS or whatever the is the connectivity should be connected. So that only able to access able to access the communicate the all the agent or in radius also communicate with each other. In the cluster, that means connectivity with should be either internet connectivity, either MPLS or other connectivity. Normally now going to the MPLS plus SD-WAN. It means internet, because now the corporate network going to like that only one MPLS and one is internet, because MPLS is down, so internet going to traffic. So this is for